Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audiocast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide Anindya Banerjee. कल शाम को और उसके पहले मंडे शाम को जो यूएस इकोनॉमिक डेटा रिलीज हुआ है दैट दोज हैव बीन अनइक्विवोकली बेरिश फॉर द यूएस इकोनॉमी. पहला यूएस आईएसएम जो रिलीज किया ऑन द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेक्टर, दोज इंडाइसेस ड्रॉप टू द लोएस्ट लेवल सिंस May 2020, almost 3 year lows. At the same time, कल शाम को US job vacancy data dropped to the lowest levels in 2 years. उसके बाद the US bond markets had a big rally in the prices and the drop in the yields because now the market is pricing in a 50 to 75 basis point cut in the US interest rates by December of this year and less chance of any hike in the upcoming Fed meeting. तो इसके लिए because of this alteration in the expectation, dollar index dropped to the lowest level since early Feb. USDINR offshore maybe is trading lower around 82.12, but we have to understand that एक तरफ जैसे weaker dollar index is negative for USDINR, दूसरी तरफ weakness in global equities जो देखने को मिल रहा है because of fear of a global recessions led by US is also positive for USDINR. तो एक तरफ risk off is positive, but दूसरी तरफ weakness in the dollar index is negative. तो जिससे फलस्वरूप it looks unlikely that USDINR will be able to break down below the 82 mark support जो है. बहुत ही strong एक support band है 82 से 82.05 on the spot. और वहाँ से बार बार ये बाउंस किया है. At the same time 82.50 के आसपास and 82.60 के आसपास it has got stuck. So the range now is 82 से 82.50 on the spot. So how to play? जब तक ये range intact है then it makes sense to buy near support क्योंकि offshore में 82.12 के आसपास the spot reference is trading. So it will be opening closer to the lower end of the range, so it is advisable to buy with a stop below 82. अगर 82 के नीचे ये sustain हो रहा है on spot, then it makes sense to exit the longs and look at doing fresh shorts. But 82 remains a major support, and we think that over the recent past there may have been some bit of RBI buying. That's again not something that we can confirm, but that's our opinion that RBI may have bought even at these levels. एंड अगर टेक्निकली अगर प्राइस एक्शन का ओवरऑल एक स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में बात किया जाए तो सिंस अक्टूबर ऑफ लास्ट ईयर, दैट्स मोर देन 6 months नाउ, USDINR हैज़ बीन गोइंग sideways, which basically means compression of volatility. But longer this compression continues, the higher the probability of a breakout or a breakdown. Or ऐसे भी the range has narrowed considerably. As I said, now it's 82 and 82.5. Technically, 82 के नीचे it will challenge, and it can challenge the major important support level around 81.60. अगर वो break होता है, then we can say at least on price action, the range of 6 months plus has been breached on the downside, and we could see a sharp move lower. At the same time, अगर 83 breach होता है, then we can say the range has been breached on the upside for a sharp move higher. So it's going to be interesting कि कौन सा factor या कौन सा factors trigger a breakdown or a breakout. But as of now, as I said, 82 remains a major support, and you can continue to do the scalping trades, which is buying near support and selling near resistance. If you are shorting straddle, weekly straddle में तो आपको खास कोई प्रीमियम मिलेगा नहीं क्योंकि कल एक्सपायरी है, because Friday the markets are closed. So you can look to sell options which are expiring next week, next weekly, which is on 14th of April. Those expiry options you can target. Otherwise your premium is going to be low because of this low volatility, implied vols have also compressed. So short straddle में थोड़ा सा risk है, but short straddle में you have to keep one thing in mind. अगर range breach हो रहा है 82 या 82.50, you have to exit. Otherwise you can look to short strangle or hedge strategy or iron fly है, that is advisable. Cross currencies में Euro INR, GBP INR both can see some upside because of the weakness in the dollar index. और ये हफ्ता the major data is on Friday, which is the US jobs report. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.